Welcome back, medicos. In this lecture, you're going to understand what is HOFA syndromes, what are the clinical signs, and what are the basic tests and treatment you must have to do for a HOFAS patient. HOFA syndrome, also known as infrapatellar fat pad impingement syndrome. Actually, it is a painful condition caused by the inflammation, swelling, impingement of the infrapatellar fat pad, also known as HOFAS fat pad. In this diagram, you can see the blue structure over here. It is located just posterior to the patella tendon and anterior to the femur and tibia condyle. Whenever there is an inflammation, swelling, or over activity or some minor injury, this get inflamed and led to the HOFA syndrome. So the basic pathology is that during knee movement, especially in hyperextension or repeated trauma, the fat pad may become impinged between the patella or femur condyle or the patella tendon or trochlear groove. This led to the inflammation, swelling, and fibrosis. Fibrosis actually is a chronic condition in which, in this X-ray, you can see the HOFAS pad get fibrosis and the whitish bony prominence can be seen. So, what are the basic causes? Trauma, direct blow to the front knee, repetitive microtrauma during running, jumping, or doing some kicking activities. Post-surgical also, after arthroscopy, ACL reconstruction, or total knee replacement surgery. Postural abnormality is very common, G recurrent, in which the hyperextension of knee can be seen. And the fifth is abnormal patella alignment can compress the fat pad also. Clinical features: pain location, deep anterior knee pain. Secondly, the pain is sharp, localized, and increased during the knee extension. Tenderness can be also seen. Swelling, puffy appearance can be seen. Soft swelling type appearance is very common in the patient. Or knee extension pain worsen in hyperextension or knee or sometime in full flexion also. And positive HOFA test pain. In this, you can squeeze that fat pad during the knee extension, and the patient pain get exerted during that activity. Clinical signs: local tenderness, pain increase, and relief in the partial flexion. What are the basic treatment? The basic treatment are you can ask the patient to do ice therapy, or you can give various electromodulators for pain relief. For example, ultrasound, SWD, and various pain relieving techniques you can apply. In physiotherapy, also you can do quadricep stretching, hamstring stretching, taping technique, manual therapy, and postural correction for the geniculum. And doctor also give NSAIDs to control the inflammation and pain in the patient. So these are all the basic uh, treatment and basic idea of the HOFA syndrome. Till then, keep learning, keep healing.